Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If you are a student, researcher or academic writer, you have probably encountered one of the most common challenges in scientific writing, distinguishing between the result section and the discussion section. The result section is where researchers present the findings of their study. The main purpose of this section is to answer the question, what did the research discover? The result section contains objective information such as experimental measurements, performance metric, statistical analysis, survey outcome, and observation collected during the study. Researchers should focus on presenting fact rather than opinion or interpretation. For example, consider an IoT-based environmental monitoring system designed to measure temperature, humidity, and air quality. A prominent result statements may include the system achieved a temperature measurement accuracy of data transmission success recharge during a 7-day testing period, and the average response time was this statement simply report the outcomes observed during testing without explaining their significance. In contrast, the discussion section focus on interpreting the findings and explaining their implants. The primary question answered in the section is, what do these results mean? Research use the discussion section to analyze their findings, compare them with a previous study, discuss practical implementation, identify limitation, and success future research direction. Using the same environmental monitoring system example, discussions that might include the high measurement accuracy, identity that the proposed system is suitable for real-time environmental monitoring application. The strong transmission reliability demonstrates the effectiveness of the selected wireless communication protocol, and these findings are consistent with previous IoT studies that reported reliable sensor performance in outdoor environment. Unique the result section with only presented that the discussion section transforms that info meaningful knowledge by explaining why the finding matter. To better understand the difference, let us examine an example involving an IoT-based smart irrigation system. Supports research develop a system that automatically control water distribution based on soil moisture condition. After condition experiments, they obtained several results. Water conservation directed by 22%, soil moisture detection accuracy research 96 parents, and the system successful trial means that 98% of the time. These findings belong in the results section because they present measurable automates. However, when the researchers state that the reduction in water consumption suggests a more efficient research management, that high sensor accuracy support automate irrigation decision, and that reliable communication performance indicates suitably for real world farming environments. The researcher is interpreting the findings. Therefore, this statement belong in the discussion section. Okay, another example can be found in embedded system research. Imagine that a research team developed a facial recognition attendance system using an embedded microcontroller platform. During testing, the system achieves a recognition accuracy of 94%, requires an average processing time of 1 calendar second per user, and reduces administrative workload by between 5%. These findings should be reported in the result section because they are direct measurements obtained from the experiment. However, when the research explained that the high recognition accuracy demonstrates the feasibility of deploying the system in educational instruction, that reduce administrative workload can improve informational efficiency, and that the processing speed is accessible for small classroom but may require optimization for large developments. This explanation belong in the discussion section because they provide interpretation and practical meaning. A common mistakes research make is including implementation within the result section. For example, a research might write the system achieved 95% accuracy, proving that is the best solution available, while the accuracy value is a evaluator's result. The claim that it is the best solution is a interpretation and shall be moved to the discussion section. Another frequent mistake is reverse result in the discussion section without providing analysis, simply resting that the system exceeded 95% accuracy. Does not help readers understand the significance of the finding. A stronger discussion statement would explain that the accuracy identifies a reliable system performance and support practical deployment. Research should also avoid introducing new data in the discussion section. All improved measurements and findings should first be presented in the result section before being interpreted later. Understanding the discussion between result and discussion is essential for effective scientific communication. The result section focus on presenting evidence by reporting facts, measurements, observation, experimental outcomes. The discussion section focus on interpretation by explaining the meaning, significance, implementation, and limitation of this finding. A useful way to remember the difference is that the result section tell readers what happened, while the discussion section explain why admits. By keeping the section separate and clearly organized, researchers and improve the quality, clarity, and professionalism of their academic writing. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on academic writing, research methods, IoT technology, and embedded system. See you in the next video.